easier than ever now to open and convert a Office file into a Google format file in Google Drive. All you need to do is upload the Office file to Google Drive. So for example, here I've got an Excel sheet, monthly company budget. Double click on it. It will open in a new tab. This is now opening in Excel format, which I can now edit it in Excel and it will stay in Excel. But if I want to get all the goodness of Google Drive and all the collaboration and all the awesome tools there, I want to convert this to a Google Sheet. So all I do is hit File, click Save as Sheets, a new window will open. It's now converting that Excel file into a Google Sheet. It takes a few seconds. There you go, it's loaded up, and as I've got the tabs at the top, I can flick between the two and you will be able to see that they are absolutely identical. So if you've got anyone in your company who's quite protective about their Excel sheets and says, oh, I can't use them in Google Drive, they won't convert nicely, I can't use Google Sheets, it's completely different. Well, it's not. There's Excel, there's Google Sheets, it looks exactly the same. And now I've got all the benefits of Google Sheets on an Excel document essentially, because I've now converted this Excel document into a Google Sheet. The final thing to do is go back to my drive where I saved them. You'll see the original Excel document is there and the Google Sheet one is here. I can move that one to the bin. Don't need that anymore. Not going to be using Excel anymore. I'm going to be using the Google Sheets version. Off it goes.